Booking.com can't change booking. How to modify your reservation. Now, in order to modify your reservation, or maybe you are trying to change your booking details within Booking.com, there are a couple of steps that you can follow in this case. The first is, let's say you happen to make a particular booking right here. So I'll just go ahead and select that, and I'll just type in any custom location in this case right here. Once I've done that, I will simply select the dates, and let me just go ahead and confirm my booking right here by selecting a particular property right here. Tap on the select rooms option, and I'll just tap on select, and I'll tap on reserve. Now let's say I want to go ahead and then change the booking details. For that, come back to the home page and go to the option called bookings from the bottom. Here you'll find all of your past bookings and your present bookings. If you cannot modify your booking, what I would recommend you do is to simply cancel that particular booking. Once you cancel that booking, go ahead and then create a new booking with your desired changes. And after you do that, you should be able to go ahead and then modify your reservation on Booking.com. That's it for this video. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.